So the other day, I saw something on Facebook about chopping vegetables with scissors, and we actually got a package that was given to us by a gift from someone who must have seen that thing, and we didn't know what to do with this. We thought it was some kind of, what do you call them things, you clippers, like you clip bushes with?
Yeah.
But the person said it's a vegetable clipper. Supposed to use it instead of a knife. So Honey Baby's going to clip some vegetables with it. Is that easier than a knife?
Look at that. I'd say it cuts celery very well.
Ah.
Yeah.
Wonder how I'd do on a potato.
Huh?
I wonder how it would do on a potato or a watermelon.
I don't know.
Or tomato. we're gonna have a lot of fun with that. Going around here cutting up tomatoes and watermelons and potatoes and squashes and broccolis and rutabagas, not rutabagas, beets.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about getting some beets.
Look at that.
Look at that.
I mean, that could be a pretty cool tool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't stick your finger in there and try it. It might take one off.
I probably need to wash that, but there we go.
There you go. Now we know. Now we have a real demonstration.
Yeah.
Huh.